Dr. N.A. Mugdum Ayurvedic Medical College and Hospital, Ankali. Name of the topic hydrochloric acid, prepared by me, guided by Sachidananda Vagpati Sir, Department of the Agata Tantra. Now we will start the topic hydrochloric acid. First, introduction. In first point, hydrochloric acid, muriatic acid is the pungent, colorless, fuming liquid. Second, it is the natural constituent of the fluid of the stomach and bowels. Next is physical properties. In physical properties, first appearance, clear or colorless or light yellow. Second, odor, pungent. Third, melting point, minus 85.05 degrees Celsius. Fourth, boiling point, minus 85.05 degrees Celsius. Fifth, solubility, soluble in methanol and ethanol. Next is chemical properties. In chemical properties, first, stability. Hydrochloric acid and solution are quite stable upon storage. Second, oxidizing properties. Hydrochloric acid is not an oxidized agent but can be oxidized by a very strong agent, liberating chloric gas. Third, hydrochloric acid react with the zinc metal and producing zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. Fourth, reaction with non-metal. Non-metal do not react with the hydrochloric. Next one is sign and symptoms. In sign and symptoms, first, it readily destroys mucous membrane. Second, the mucous membrane at first is grey and later becomes brown or black due to the production of acid hematine. Third, inhalation of fumes cases intense irritation of throat and lungs with the suffocation, coughing, dyspnea, cyanosis. Fourth, constant exposure to fumes produce chloric poisoning, characteristic bronchitis, inflammation of gums and loosening of teeth. Then we will see the fetal dose. In fetal dose 15 to 20 ml, fetal period is 18 to 36 ml. Next is treatment. In treatment, first, alkaline carbonates and bicarbonates which liberate carbon dioxide should not be used. They cause gastric distension and sometimes rupture. Second, the acid should be immediately dilute alkaline carbonates and bicarbonates which liberate carbon dioxide should not be used. They cause gastric distension and sometimes rupture. Third, the acid should be immediately diluted and neutralized in situ by giving 1/4 liter of water or milk of magnesia or lime water if patient is seen within the 30 minutes of egestion. Fourth, avoid gastric lavage or emaciated and neutralized in situ by giving 1/4 liter of water or milk of magnesia or lime water if patient is seen within a 30 minutes of egestion. Fifth, avoid gastric lavage or emesis. Next one is a post-mortem appearance. In first, corrosion is less severe. Second, the stomach will contain brownish fluid. Third, the folds of the whole stomach mucosa is brownish. Fourth, perforation of the stomach is rare. Fifth, acute inflammation and edema is respiratory passage and lung tissue. Next is a test. In test, a solution of silver nitrate produces a heavy curdy white precipitate of silver chloride. Next is the medico-legal importance. First one, most cases poisoning are suicidal. Second, few are accidental or homicidal. Rarely it is injected into the vagina to produce abortion. Now here we will stop the topic. Thank you.